Outlaws, I'm gonna have to race.
Probably.
Damn. Got a couple big blocks over here. Little stroker kid over here. When I get my Mustang out, I'm gonna whoop every Honda and pull up the Yello Belly. They thought they could beat me. What's up with it, man?
What's up,
you
man?
on my YouTube channel?
I'm about to go.
I'm about to, let me get you, make sure you on there. Get you my card. Yeah, it's going down, man. Already. Look, this is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel. Hey, look at y'all. Oh, yeah, I ain't started today. This is my YouTube channel. Already appreciate it. My YouTube channel. Oh yeah, get you up. You might know somebody else. Somebody doing a burnout. Oh, here go that dude, that red light earlier. Oh, they gonna do it again, y'all. Damn. Old boy ain't gonna red like this time. I hope old boy in that red shirt ain't trying to bet me no more. I don't want to bet no more. I see this thing here running. Uh-oh, excuse me. Man, this is a good race, y'all. What you got? Hell, I was over here earlier. I won. Hey, but I think this side gonna win now. Give me some odds. 20 to 40. Give me some odds.
I'll give you a gentleman's handshake.
Nah, I want 20 to 40. I want 20 to 40. I want 20 to 40. I want 20 to 40.
You what?
I want 20 to 40 and I'll take that side, man.
This side's gonna win.
I know this side here running.
You know, red light again, this race is already over.
Okay. My boy said if he on red light, this race over with, y'all. Here we go. You told me. Damn. Damn, there was some more people betting.
Hey, I be getting paid, man. I came here with $20.
Nuh-uh.
Hey, I came here with $20. 40.
Damn.
Hey, all right.
Why you didn't tell me to bet with him?
I didn't know.
Oh. Damn, man. Y'all on my YouTube channel. Yeah, get him one. Y'all over there, they came up out $20, y'all. Hey, man, let me ride, man. Let me get on that motherfucker, man. Oh, he wanna do tricks. Look, yeah. All right. What's up with it, Johnny B? Hey, mira, y'all on my YouTube channel. Mira, suscríbete a mi canal. Yeah. Make sure y'all suscríbete. Mira. Oh, yeah, now. You on there?
Oh, I'm ready to go with me.
Okay, he on there.
Look out,
This my boy, y'all. Nothing much, chilling on it. Okay, my boy right here, he finna dog this right here. He finna dog this thing here. Okay, we got that Chewy the imported sub over here. Look out. Chewy the imported. Yeah, they cut the Cali converters off of here. They wasn't turning over fast enough. They was coming back, get them a little more water. Let me go see what else coming on back here, y'all. Hey, 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 hey.